Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your CRM with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Users. Select Users from the results. Review the list of users and identify roles that require additional security measures. Click on a user to edit their settings. Ensure the user has a strong password policy in place. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Return to the Setup menu and search for Profile. Select Profiles from the results. Choose the profile associated with the users you reviewed earlier. Adjust permissions based on the principle of least privilege. Restrict access to sensitive data by modifying field-level security. Next, search for Profiles and Permission Sets. Review permission sets that may also require adjustments. Create new permission sets for specific roles as necessary. Next, navigate to the Security Controls section. Select Session Settings to configure session timeout options. Set a short session timeout for sensitive operations. Move on to Login Access Policies. Determine if you need to grant access to support staff. Consider enabling login IP ranges to restrict access to specific locations. Now, search for Auditing in the Setup menu. Enable field history tracking on critical objects. Review the audit trail to monitor changes made within your CRM. Next, navigate to Trust to review Salesforce's security status. Stay informed about Salesforce security updates and best practices. Finally, conduct regular training sessions for your team on security policies. Ensure everyone understands the importance of securing customer information. Implement ongoing reviews of your security configurations. Make adjustments as necessary to stay compliant and secure. With these steps, your Salesforce CRM will be more secure and resilient against threats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.